earthquake ready because I am ready. What should we do in times of earthquakes? Safety measure during an earthquake. Step 1. Be clear, alert, and don't panic. Step 2. Stay away from glass, window, and heavy furniture or appliances that may fall. Step 3. Stay away from the trees and structures. Step 4. Go to the higher ground. Tsunami may occur after an earthquake. Step 5. Duck, cover, and hold. Step 6. Avoid running. Just walk. Step 7. If you're in your home, you should follow your evacuation plan. Always remember, we don't know when the earthquake occurs, so we need to prepare, aware, and beware. Once again, this is Misha Duncil Sotelo signing off.